okay, page, okay, and I'm gonna say products 4, okay, and products 4, I'm gonna set it 120, and the type is tomato. Let's say tomato, okay, and after it I'm gonna pass this, and I'm gonna say 5, and I'm gonna set it to 120. I'm gonna also put the last one, which is the broccoli, okay, and we're gonna set I'm gonna set the name of our image 6, and we're gonna put 120. So we're gonna click on execute. Yes, if we click on TBA products, okay, you're gonna see that we have the product name, the product image, and we have the price. So we want to make this dynamic, okay, using our database, using our different product images and different product name and price which are included in our database. So let us go back to our VS Code editor, and we're gonna come here. We're gonna remove all this, okay, so we're gonna make it dynamic. We're gonna use a loop, okay, so yes, so we're gonna come here. So let us reload our page. We have only one image. So we're gonna do, first of all, we have to make a connection between our Laravel application with our database. So we're gonna click on this file, okay, you're gonna look for this file .env, and you're gonna click on it. So you're gonna come here, so you're gonna put the name of your database. In our case we have products, and you're gonna put your username, your DB username. By default I have set it to root for me, okay, and if you have your own username you have to put it here, and the password also, my password is null, okay, but if you have your password you can put your password here. You can say for example 123, okay, and in my case I have set it to null, okay. So after it we're gonna close this, and so what we're gonna do, we are going to open a PHP tag, okay, we're gonna open this, okay, and so we're gonna say this, okay, so we're gonna come here, and we're gonna say for example, so we're going to select different fields that we have in our TBL products in our product database. So how to do it, we're gonna create a variable, we're gonna call it all products, equal to DB. So we have to select the table from our DB. We're gonna say select TBL, okay, product from our database that we have set in the .env, okay. You don't have to put the database name here. So we're gonna come here, so we're gonna say get, okay, get all fields. So we're gonna put this, okay. So we're going to come here, so we're gonna take this, we're gonna create a for each loop, okay. Here after the row class we're gonna say for each, okay. So we're gonna say for each all products, we're gonna pass this here and is product, yes. So you're gonna grab this, let us grab this, so, and we're gonna pass it inside of our for each loop, okay. We're gonna pass it there, and so we're going to come here in our product name. So we're gonna do, first of all we've got the product image, okay. So make sure that you have a folder, okay, in which you have put your images, okay. You store your images in this images folder, okay, in this case, and you're gonna take the name of your images, you're gonna store it in your database, okay, where we have product image, okay. So let us go back to our VS Code editor. So first of all, for the images, okay, we're gonna put this, let us remove this, so we're gonna put double quote braces, okay, to have our image. So we're gonna take this, let us copy it, we're gonna pass it through, so we're gonna put this, and we're gonna say product image, okay. We're gonna call this field, we're gonna say product image, okay. view toggle wrap. Okay, we have product image, and we can also set what we have about product name. So let us go back first to our browser. Okay, so let us refresh. Okay, you can see that we have succeeded to import it, but until now we don't have the product name and the correct product price. So we have to do the same thing. Let us go back. So we're gonna say, let us take this, we're gonna copy it, so we're gonna pass it through, so we're gonna make it dynamic. We're gonna come here, so we're gonna say product name. Let us go back to our browser. Let us refresh. Yes, we have bell pepper, we have strawberry, we have green beans, we have the broccoli, okay, we have the tomato, and we have the purple, and we have also to set the correct price. We have to do the same thing. So let us come here, we're gonna pass it through. Okay, we're gonna pass this through, and so we're gonna say price. So let us go back to a browser. Let us reload. Yes, you're gonna see that we have the correct price. We have this. Okay, we have some differences. Yes, you must see that we have succeeded to view our images in our home page. Okay, we're gonna use the same thing in our Laravel projects. Okay, so my desire was to prepare you for our last projects. Okay, so let us go back to our VS Code editor, and this is the first model, okay, the first way you can use in order to get your information in your database. Otherwise, you can also use, let us comment this, you can also use your control. Okay, by default we have home. Okay, if I click on home, I'm gonna get an error because I haven't comment this. Okay, so what we're gonna do, let us copy first for this. Okay, we're gonna copy it, and we're gonna come to our web.php. Yes, and we have our root default, which is slash, and I'm going to be redirected to the home page. So let us go back to our home page. In our home function, which is included in our pages control. Okay, so we have http, so come to our control. So I'm going to come here, so let us comment this. I'm going to come here, so I'm going to pass this here. Okay, I have all products. Yes, TBA data products. So, and after this, I'm gonna create another variable. I'm gonna call it manage product. Okay, and manage product. Okay, we're gonna say equal to view. Okay, and we're gonna say here, and we want to view it in the pages dot index. So let us copy it. So we're gonna pass this here, and we're gonna pass it here, and we're gonna say width. Okay, we're gonna say width, and we're gonna put this. Let us copy this. Our products, we're gonna pass this inside of our double quotes. So we're gonna also put this variable here, and we're gonna put our semicolon, and after it, we're gonna return. We're gonna say view. Okay, and we're gonna return our layout, which is included in layouts app.blade. First of all, we have to do like this, layouts.blade. Okay, .app. Okay, and we're gonna also say width. Okay, we're gonna say width, and we're gonna put this. Okay, pages.index. We're gonna pass this here, and we're gonna put a comma. So we're gonna take manage product. So we're gonna pass this here. Yes, so we're going to put a semicolon. Okay, we have return, and we have return. Okay, so we're gonna say return, we're gonna say return redirect. Okay, so no, I forgot something. So we have return view with, we have to put this. Okay, yes, return view, and I have this. So I'm going to back, and let us reload app.control db. Okay, we have to import something about the db because we are selecting something in our db. So reason why we have this error, so we have to import something. Let us come here, we're gonna say use db. Okay, So let us go back to our browser. So let us refresh. Yes, we're gonna see that we have the same thing, okay, with what we have created. So you're gonna see the all products is going to be referred to our index.blade.php. We're gonna have it here, okay, and so we can delete this. And I think that you have understood, okay, you're prepared for the next session with our Laravel project. So we're gonna meet in the next session. Goodbye.